As you may have seen in the introduction video, not all professional development experiences are created equally. In fact, a saying we like to use in our professional development programs is people may forget what you said or what you did, but they will never forget how you made them feel. This saying guides our work with teachers because people's positive or negative experiences in a PD often hinge on the tone that is set by the facilitator or the culture of the group.
There were moments of enlightenment, where I felt like I was learning something. I love the feeling of learning something.
The things where I'm like, I already know this, and it's almost kind of an insult to me, like they're thinking that I don't know this.
You feel at ease to ask questions?
I didn't feel like I got anything particularly useful out of the experience.
You feel a sense of accomplishment?
It makes me feel energized.
People cannot learn when they are distracted, confused, or don't feel respected. By creating a safe, nurturing learning environment, you enable participants to absorb new ideas and fully engage in the task at hand. As a facilitator, it's up to you to set a positive, productive tone in your professional development sessions as soon as the first participant walks through the door. In this module, we will share tools to help create a positive culture in your PDs, which will support valuable learning experiences for your teachers. You'll learn different ways to begin and end your PD with icebreakers, energizers, and closing activities that help participants transition in and out of the session's activities. You'll also see how norms can help act as guidelines for the type of behavior that is most productive for groups working together. They're sort of a social contract that governs a PD. We'll also share ideas for how to uncover and utilize participants' prior knowledge, as well as how to use structured protocols to help groups tackle a shared challenge and allow for safe and respectful discourse. There are also resources in this module to help you collect meaningful feedback from your participants at the end of a PD. We'll show you how this data can help you improve your practice as a facilitator and further shape the culture of your PDs. With these tools, you'll be prepared to create a positive culture in your PDs, which will translate to valuable learning experiences for your teachers.